Vlogmas day 15, and today we are doing a little something in the kitchen. It's 10 days until Christmas. This is crazy. Christmas has approached so quickly. I can't even right now. And guess what? My tree is still not up. But don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. My tree is going up soon. Anyways, back to this video. Today we're doing things a little different. We have cornmeal. We have nutmeg powder. We have cinnamon powder. We have oat milk. We have condensed milk. We have vanilla. We have a little bit of water. You need a whisk, and we have to have a pot. You need a measuring cup. You also need a wooden spoon. Let's get it started. So I would ask you what you think I'm making, but I don't know. Do you know? This, stop a gap. This, full you up. Don't worry about my son. He also is a chef. That's why he's in here. You need 4 cups of milk, all right? I typically use oat milk because slap some cinnamon in there. Slap them in there. Cover the pot, let that boil and come to a simmer. Let's put this fire a little further down. I don't know if you guys know what I'm making, but let me tell you. 1 cup of cornmeal. No lumpy cornmeal. Whisk away. Keep it tight, keep it tight. See how it's getting lumpy a little bit? Put a little bit more water. We don't want lumpy cornmeal. Oh yeah, you see how that's like this? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. The milk went bazookas. So once this is boiling, which you can see, you take your non-lumpy cornmeal and you pour that in that thing. All we doing here is spinning this thing around till it gets some type of thickness. Now, this is not the time anymore that you would let it rest, go to the bathroom, talk to your friend on the phone, because then you're going to have an explosion like I did. Keep stirring. Don't get distracted. You're stirring till kingdom come. You decide how thick you want it. You see how it's coming to a color? That's how you know we cooking on gas. Don't worry about my son in the back here. He loves to cook too, right? It's time to leave this alone for a second. And what we do now is, you see that bubbling pot? Turn down the fire. Don't burn up your stuff. Now we're gonna add the vanilla. Now people do 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Oh, shucks. Sorry, turn this off. You do about that measurement. Let's keep stirring because you see how I took my eye off of it for a split second. And I can leave that thing in there. You know, leave the whisk in there. Take off the fire at this point because listen, as you can see, this thing don't take no time before thing. You spruce in some more cinnamon to your liking, you know. Put in your nutmeg. You know nutmeg? Be generous. Cook with love. And you stir. So you see you're getting a little hard. You might like it like this. I might like it like another way. I might like it like this. You might like it another way. So you stir it up. And now you have non-lumpy cornmeal. But I like it thick like this, okay? Now I taste it. It's hot. But guess what? You might need some sugar. I usually don't put normal condensed milk. I put a coconut-based condensed milk. You crack this open, and you just pour it in here. Or you see, that's what happens sometimes. You get the wooden spoon. Remember the wooden spoon? Oh shucks! Oh gosh! Sorry guys. This happens a lot. Gosh. I know, buddy. I know. So I just put the whole thing in here, and I'll just do this until it kind of dissolves. And once it dissolves, it's great. This is not going to make it oily, trust. This is going to make it nice and creamy. So you see how it's coming into its own? It becomes very tasty. This season is awesome. You really get a chance to make some of your homemade dishes. And this is what cooking is about. Spilling stuff, you know, dropping things, burning your tongue. Ow! Oh gosh. It's good. So good. Super tasty, super rich and creamy. All right, guys, so I have my cornmeal porridge and I'm ready to go. I love it. Let me tell you, I like to take the ends of it. I gotta go soon because my son is really